What's going on, guys? We have Steve on his way here. He should be here any second, and he's bringing the 53 project truck down so we can take a look at and see what he's getting us into. Let's run out here and see. Look at that mess pulling up. Chew. Hope he's got that hood tied down. If this isn't Sanford & Son, I don't know what is. Let's get him in here and see what's what.
Hey, Peckerhead, where you want it? I got to drive it.
Steve got the first drive.
Oh boy.
He's excited now.
I'm pumped. Now it's a project.
It was always a project. Would you believe that tire still holds air? Tried to tell Steve, and he's finally coming around. All right, Vince, we have you a cab. We're gonna build you something awesome.
I'm excited.
I don't know.
Mine actually looks like a truck now.
Yeah.
And I was telling them.
See, that's a much better look. Just clean the junk off of it.
Yeah. It definitely makes it look a lot
Lower
better.
this thing about 10 inches.
Whoa, whoa. Everybody knows on my channel we go up, not down.
Or you can put them 44s on there.
Whoa.
They almost might clear it. That's nah, it's 6 load.
Yeah, it's... Them 44s are a lot bigger than you think.
It fit.
They're this damn high.
Well, you're only off the center. It would fit. We can make it fit.
Oh boy.
You either gotta go down or put the 44s on. Your call.
Super singles.
Contrary to popular belief, Steve does work every once in a while.
And I clean. I sort of like how they left that cab on here up here, so it's like rusted.
Yeah, that thing's been sitting there a long time.
Definitely.
But I mean, still solid, right?
Oh yeah.
This stuff's like half-inch thick almost.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's 3/8 anyway.
It's a heavy truck.
We got better seats now, yeah. We can actually see something. Of course, this guy's gonna fly right through.
Yeah.
How do you zoom on these things?
You can't the way you're at now. You gotta start the other end.
So it only gets tougher from here, guys. You can see the dam of mud behind this truck as they pull him out. That tractor is actually struggling.
Oh yeah,
So here's half the pit being pulled right out. So these next guys, you definitely want to run first here.
And he's in top off. But look at what he's starting in.
The door looks like it hangs a little low.
His tires are some of the best on the market right there, so he should be in good shape to get a decent launch.
He wasn't stopping. You ain't pulling me backwards.
Yeah, not at all, yeah.
Stock with big tires.
Yeah, cut out.
Yeah. I'd honestly be surprised if he, So this is a good representation of the Bruce.
No, because he's still 350. I mean, yeah. Actually, he's 4-wheel drive, so yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna make yeah. I thought they were those like.
You don't think my tires are boggers either.
Yours are.
They are.
Yours are cut up.
They started life as a bogger. Oh man. He started in second gear. That can't be more than 4,000 RPM though.
Oh, he's moving.
Definitely, it's bigger. It's heavier. And everybody, except one, has actually added on to their time for the first time out. It comes down to this.
Look at that rooster tail from that cable.
Wow.
That cable had a higher rooster tail than half the trucks out here.
Is
Yeah.
that fast enough to take first place?
That's alcohol.
Yeah, guys, if you could smell that, he's definitely burning some, probably alcohol.
It's
gotta be, 'cause it smells just like my RC car.
About duplicate his time.
You got an RC car?
It's
on the channel.
1981 Chevy Pigman with big block Chevrolet for horsepower.
Now again, guys, this is the class that I would.
Well, let's see if he can improve on that.
He stayed in it.
Not bad.
He
Yeah,
probably,
that had no RPM drop.
no, he definitely could have used a higher gear, but
As well as horsepower.